Hello students, in this video I'll tell you the shortcut for cement industry. You know very well about cement industries, right? Cement is useful for construction activity. So that is the first point. Second point, you have to write for what purpose we are using cement. Cement is useful for building activities, right? So for that I have given one shortcut. HR posted commercial ad through FB. HR, here HR means H represents houses, R roads, commercial, that is commercial establishments, then ad is, that is A stands for airports, and D dams, through FB, that is F stands for factories and B bridges. So cement is useful for building these things, okay. Then cement industry is a bulky industry, and it requires heavy raw materials, okay. So for that you just remember silica gel. Silica, S represents silica, Li represents limestone, C represents coal, and G represents gypsum, EL represents electric power. Here C and EL, that is cell, okay. So cell means these coal and electric power are needed for transportation, rail transportation, okay. Then next one, CC4. You know very well about CC cream, right? So CC cream is for you, like that you just relate, okay. So CC, that means cement plant first cement plant was established in Chennai during 1904, okay. Then next one is it's me Asha, my friend is Elisa. So here Asha, that is AS represents, first A represents Africa, SA, that is SA means H is silent, okay. So SA means South Asia. Elisa, here EA, just you take EA, that is East Asia, okay. Then this industry is doing well in production as well as export. So for that you just remember this good DP means we can export it, right? So good DP export. This industry is doing good in production as well as export. Then DD is a super anchor. DD is a super anchor. That means efforts are made to generate domestic demand and supply in order to sustain this cement industry, okay. So domestic demand and supply, okay. So these are the key points given under this topic. If you relate it like this, means you can easily write all the key points and you can easily score marks. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching this video till the end.